Good morning, students. I'm teaching English of 7th standard. The name of the lesson is A Tiger in the House. I already reached the 14th paragraph, and today I am in the I'm going to teach the last part of the lesson. Okay, so I hope you know the story, isn't it? A Tiger in the House, written by Ruskin Bond. Here, a grandfather of Ruskin Bond found a cub when he was in hunting expedition and brought it to his home. And that tiger's cub was named as Timothy by grandmother of Ruskin Bond, and it was brought up by grandfather till that tiger became middle size or the retriever. I hope you know that. But when that tiger became more aggressive, when the tiger became um, more cruel, okay, it started behaving in such a way that it was okay, it was behaving in such a way to even to kill and eat their servant Muhammad. At that time, grandfather decided to shift that tiger to zoo, and he took that tiger to where a zoo of Lucknow, and okay, thus he returned means thus Jew authorities were also very happy to have that civilized, somewhat civilized tiger in their zoo. Okay, so grandfather felt very happy that the tiger was kept in safe custody. But after 6 months later, when he wanted to visit his relatives in Lucknow, he also thought of visiting that Jews to in order to see how was the condition of Timothy in the Jew. He directly comes to the Jew and he saw one tiger there in a cage and he thinks it was his Timothy and directly okay gives his hand to that tiger and tiger starts licking his hand and okay near to that cage leopard's cage was also there. Leopard was snarling, and because of that snarling, that tiger was moving back in the cage, and that grandfather shoot the leopard, and again that tiger came to lick his hands. Okay, till there I taught you, and now let me continue from the 13th paragraph. Okay, to see the grandfather's reunion with the tiger was watched by many people. Okay, it was a something new. Okay, something totally new for the people. Okay, let me continue from 14th paragraph now. So a number of people had gathered to watch the reunion when a keeper pushed his way through the crowd and asked the grandfather what he was doing. See here, when the grandfather hand was licked uh, by the tiger, number of people gathered there to see the that scenery, and then suddenly a keeper who made a way through the crowd and asked the grandfather what he was doing. Then he tells, I am talking to Timothy, said grandfather. Were not you here when I gave him to Jew 6 months ago. He tells, I am talking with Timothy, okay, and you were not there uh, when I gave this Timothy 6 months back. That way he asks. I have not been here very long, said the surprised keeper. Please continue your conversation, but I have been never been able to touch him by myself. He is always very bad tempered. Here, he tells, I have been that new keeper says. The keeper says with surprise, here I have joined recently only, so I don't know much about it. So please, he tells you, please continue your talk with Timothy or your conversation, okay, with Timothy. But I have never been able to touch him myself here because he's always very bad tempered. See here, that keeper tells this tiger that which you have touched is of very bad tempered. Means he was not allowing anybody to touch him, and he was always in angry. Okay, okay. That way he tells. Why don't you put him somewhere else? Suggested grandfather. Grandfather tells, why you have not kept uh, in some other place in the zoo? That leopard keeps frightening him. I will go and see the superintendent about it. He tells, why you have kept this my Timothy near to the cage of that leopard, which is snarling, okay, again and again, so that Timothy is get uh, frightened, okay. I will go and see the superintendent about it. See, he tells, now I will meet your higher officer and I will tell this matter to him. Grandfather, see, after this, grandfather went in search of the superintendent of the Jew. Superintendent means main officer who is looking after the whole Jew. Okay, so he, with an intention to keep Timothy somewhere else away from that leopard, he grandfather went in search of the superintendent of the Jew to meet, but found that he had gone home early. See here, but he came to know that that superintendent moved gone home very early, and so after wandering about the Jew for a little while, he returned to Timothy's cage to say goodbye. See here, after wandering here and there in that Jew, he okay um, he returned to near to Timothy's cage with an intention to say goodbye. It was beginning to get dark. Here means um, night was approaching. Okay, so he had been stroking and slapping Timothy for about 5 minutes when he found another keeper observing with him some alarm. See here, he came back again. Grandfather came back again. Again, he made a stroke and slapping on Timothy for 5 minutes. And another keeper was there. Okay, he was observing him with some fear. Okay, alarm means fearness. So grandfather recognized him as the keeper who had been there when Timothy had first come to the Jew. See here, now grandfather recognized that the keeper who was observing was there when he brought that Timothy to the Jew. You remember me, said grandfather. Now why you don't you transfer Timothy to another cage away from this stupid leopard? There, grandfather tells, you remembered me? See, when I brought this Timothy to this June, why don't you transfer this Timothy to some other cage so that it should be away from that stupid leopard? That was stupid means foolish leopard, which was frightening the my whom my Timothy. That way, grandfather tells. But sir, stammered the keeper. Okay, Okay, stammered means todalu matanadu, but sir stammered. He was in. He became nervous while talking. The keeper, that keeper, and it is not your tiger. It is not your tiger. He tells. It was. It is not Timothy. I know. I know," said grandfather testily. "I realize uh, he. Okay. He is no longer mine." He tell grandfather told, I know. I realize it's no longer mine because 6 months back I gave no to you people. Therefore, it is not now not mine. That way, grandfather thought. But you might at least take a suggestion or two from me. At least you would have taken some suggestion from me how to feed the tiger. Okay, because initially I fed that Timothy, isn't it? That way, grandfather tells to the keeper. You open next page. Okay. "I remember your tiger very well," said the keeper. "He died 2 months ago." Okay, then that keeper says, "I know your tiger very well. That tiger died 2 months ago." "Died?" exclaimed the grandfather. Now, grandfather uh, exclaimed means uh, with sadness. He explained in a loud voice. He told, "Died." Okay, then, "Yes, sir, of pneumonia. This tiger was trapped in the hills only last month, and he is very dangerous." "Yes, sir," he tells. "Yes, your tiger died due to pneumonia." Okay, then this tiger pneumonia is a kind of disease. I hope you all of you know. This tiger was trapped in the hills only last month. Then he says, the keeper says, "This is a new tiger that which we have touched." Okay, it was trapped. Trapped means caught in the hills only last month. Only last month only this tiger was caught, and he is very dangerous. Okay, he is very aggressive and cruel. Grandfather could think of nothing to say. Now, uh, his mind is totally filled with Timothy. Okay, the tiger is still licking his arm with increasing relish, but he did not remove his hands from from the new tiger, even after realizing that that was totally not a Timothy. The tiger was still licking his arm with increasing relish. See, what it shows, if we show uh, some kindness even towards the wild animals, uh, they also reduces their wildness. Okay, they also become, okay, uh, they also become little bit human, we can say. Okay, grandfather took what seemed to him an age to withdraw his hand from the cage. Okay, uh, with his face, okay, I hope you understood this. Grandfather took what seemed to him an age to withdraw his hand from the cage. See, here he did not think of withdrawing his hand from the cage, because it was the tiger that maybe knew, but to him it was appearing like the same Timothy. With his face near the tiger's, he mumbled. See, here he kept uh, pa- his face near the tiger and mumbled. Mumbled means ಅಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ಮಾತನಾಡು. "Good night, Timothy." Okay, he saw Timothy in that new tiger. Okay, "Good night, tiger." And giving the keeper a scornful look, walked up briskly out of the Jew. Here, he gave the scornful look means, um, okay, look of respect. See here, he looked at that keeper with disrespect, because he felt they were unable to. feed his Timothy, okay, uh, for many months, okay, from many months, and the Jew authority did not able to, okay, keep his tiger Timothy. Therefore, he felt very bad, and therefore he showed disrespect to them, and he walked briskly out of the Jew here. Actually, what he expected, Jew authorities would have kept his Timothy in a good position, but unfortunately, they did not care. Therefore, perhaps he showed disrespect toward them. I hope you understood this lesson. Okay. What are the things we have learned from this lesson? So, see, a wild animal. Um, See, here there is a person who tried his best to keep a wild animal in his home, but he was unable to keep that animal continuously in his home. Now, afterwards, when it became too wild, he gave it to the Jew authorities. Even Jew authorities, perhaps, they did not uh, cared much about that wild animal, and it died very soon. Uh, this year, what we should develop, that we should also show kindness towards the wild animals, and must preserve even the wild animals. They are also part of nature. It is not our, we humans should kill them. We should try to preserve them. I think you understood this lesson. Thank you. I think this is enough today, and good day. Thank you. And read this lesson, at least write two paragraphs. I hope you have understood this lesson. Thank you.